Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out to talk about a quick tip inside Fusion 360, because sometimes we need to look at the interior of an object, and that simply we can call that as the section analysis. So how to do that? Just click on insert and click on the inspect and click on section analysis, and here any face you can select, any plane you can select to create this section. For example, if I just select this plane, so you can simply see over here, I can just create the section with respect to this plane. When I select this one, you can simply look at this, right? But when I select the top plane, you can just deal with the section analysis in this way. But for now, I'm not going to choose this plane, and you can simply look for this, right? You can just define the distance, and you can just define the angle as well, right? In any of the direction, and in Z angle, see, you can just play around with such things, and you can just flip the directions as well. And from component, because right now I just want to make and do section analysis of this component, and so hedging, right? So if I just uncheck this, you will not see the hedging, right? Actually these lines are hedging lines. So let's boom. This is a very quick tutorial. Hope you like it. Enjoy and best of luck. Just subscribe to the channel. Thank you.